found it, the app that will change everything. Found it, the app that will help you musically, to know your key, to know what octave you're singing in. This is simply amazing. Found it, the ultimate app. The time is around 2 o'clock in the night. I was just doing my research and I came about this app, and I just say I'm going to do a video. You need to know about this. This is the app. As you can see, speaking my voice. I'm going to give you full details in my next video. Do you know how beautiful you are? As you can see, this app is monitoring my voice, showing me the key I am on. It's showing me the octave I am in. This app is amazing. If you are into music, this app is very, very good for voice training. It's very, very awesome. You can even use it to learn how to play keyboard, as it shows you the key, so you can sing songs and follow this key and be able to play it on keyboard. I'm going to be talking so much about this amazing app. I just did the research and this thing just blew my mind as I found out this app. So in my next video, I'll be telling you about this app, how you can get it and how you can use it to change your singing game. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. It's gonna really be awesome. See you in my next video, guys.